Do you feel like something might be wrong with your strut mount? Let us help you figure it out with this video. We'll show you the signs to look for so you can check your vehicle. Before we get into the details, let's go over what a strut mount does. The strut mount connects the suspension strut to your car's body, usually located at the top of the strut assembly, near each wheel. It helps absorb bumps and vibrations from the road and also lets the wheels turn smoothly when you steer. Over time, the strut mount can wear out, and this can affect how your car drives. Now, let's take a look at the most common symptoms of a bad strut mount and how you can spot them. Symptom number 1, noise. The first signs that you might notice are clunking or knocking sounds when driving over bumps or turning corners. This happens because a worn strut mount lets the strut move too much, causing metal parts to hit each other or shift. These sounds are usually more noticeable when driving on rough roads or making sharp turns, and they can indicate that the mount is no longer holding the strut securely in place. Symptom number 2. Vibration. Another symptom to watch for is increased vibration, which you might feel through the steering wheel or the vehicle chassis, especially when driving on uneven roads. Unlike the clunking or knocking noises caused by loose or shifting parts, this vibration happens because a worn strut mount can no longer absorb the shocks and vibrations as it should. Instead, these vibrations pass through the suspension and into the car. Over time, this can make driving less comfortable and put extra stress on other suspension components, which can lead to further damage. Symptom number 3. Handling issues. The third sign you'll notice is poor handling. This includes more body roll when turning, as the strut mount can't keep the strut properly aligned and stable. You might feel the car is less stable when turning, especially at higher speeds, or notice that it doesn't respond as quickly or smoothly to your steering. Over time, this can make the car harder to control, which can make driving less safe. Symptom number 4, uneven tire wear. Another thing to look for is uneven tire wear. When your strut mount fails, it can affect the alignment of the suspension components, leading to uneven wear on your tires. This is often seen as more wear on one side of the tire tread compared to the other, which can reduce the lifespan of your tires and affect your car's handling. Symptom number 5, fluid leaks. The final thing on our list, which can happen in severe cases, is that a failing strut mount can cause leaks in the strut itself. As the mount allows too much movement, it puts extra stress on the seals and other components of the strut, causing them to wear out. This can lead to fluid leaking from the strut, which reduces its ability to absorb shocks and control the movement of the suspension. If this happens, it can cause further damage to the suspension system, resulting in a rougher ride and more expensive repairs down the road. Your vehicle's strut mount plays an important role in keeping your car's performance at its best. If it's not working properly, your driving experience will suffer with poor handling, more vibrations, and possibly even safety problems. So if you've confirmed that the symptoms you're feeling are caused by a bad strut mount, the next step is to have it checked or replaced. Replacing the strut mount usually costs between $200 and $400, depending on your car's make and model and whether you need just the mount or the entire strut assembly replaced. It's a good idea to have a professional check it to make sure the problem is fixed the right way. We hope you find this video helpful, and if you're dealing with some problems with your car, let us know by leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching.